cord. Okay, this is the bow tie pattern for the quilt pattern square. We're going to start off by making a horizontal and a vertical line across the middle. So since these are 12 by 12 squares we're using, that'll be 6 inches both ways. I'm going to use a pencil to make the line across the middle, and you can also use a pencil because that's going to make the lightest line. If you're using a black square with your white pieces, you can make an indentation in the black square with the pencil, and that will work just as well. All you're trying to do is get a guide to where you need to go. And if you can eyeball it and just do it from visually looking at it, that is also fine. This is just to help those of us that might not be quite as crafty as others. So I'm going to make my line across the middle horizontally, and then I flip it so I can make my vertical line. Here, and then I go from corner to corner diagonally. There, and then I do it on the other corner. That's not quite perfect, but you know. I don't think my square is quite perfect either. Okay, so after we get our lines drawn, I know you look in here, my middle is a little wonky. It is what it is, okay? All right, so once we get the X across the middle, we're gonna put another diagonal line from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. And I'll do that now. All right, so we'll just turn our ruler these away and make another X. Oh, don't move. There. And we'll turn this one this way, make an X. There. This will make another X here. And this one will be right here. Okay, so now we got 4 X's on our page. I'll get rid of my ruler so we can go ahead and fill in where the pieces will go. And I'll do this in red so you can see what's going to happen. So we're going to have 4 bow ties. The first one, let me change that to pen, and then I'll thicken it. All right, so our first one will be this triangle here. That's way too thick. And we'll shade that in, and then we'll go right across from it and put another triangle right here. And these that I'm drawing, these are the pieces that you're going to be putting on your mat, and this is where they will go. Okay, so as you can see, it makes a bow tie shape. Okay, so then we'll go to the next square, and we'll make this one go up and down. Okay, so we got one pointing inward down. I know my drawing is horrible. Okay, and then we'll go and put our other square here, our other triangle here. And as you can see, there's one up top and one up bottom, but they're both pointing in. All right, and then we'll do, bye baby, see you tomorrow. So we'll do another one that's gonna go from this side to this side, and it's gonna point inward and down. And notice how this one is diagonal to this one here. These two and these two will look the same. Okay, this square, this square, this square, and this square. Okay, so we will color that in like so, and then we'll do one down at the bottom here like so. And then we'll come over here, and it'll be this triangle and this triangle, and we will color those in so you can see where they'll go. So you won't be coloring yours in, of course. You're just going to place the pieces. I'm coloring it in so you can see where your pieces will be. But that is the bow tie design, and that is it. Just glue those pieces down in those places, and you are done.